Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Cardano price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course starting on the overview for the bullish and bearish scenarios here. We have an A, B, C toward the upside, finishing three waves up. Of course, you're looking for three waves down, meaning a bearish scenario, and then moving toward the upside again. Of course, in three waves up, three waves down, and then continuation for higher prices. Another bullish scenario is 1, 2, and then another 1, 2. And you're looking, of course, here for another 1, 2, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So this is the most bullish scenario. Currently, you're looking for several 1, 2s probably, and then continuation for higher and higher. However, your bearish scenario here is, of course, a longer A, B, and a C toward the downside, where you got, of course, an impulse or a W, X, and a Y. Because you can read here a 1, 2, 3, right? A 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice wave A. Or it can be a finished impulse here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for W, X as a flat, and then kind of like an ending diagonal. Meaning it can be an A, B, and a C actually. So basically, I would say as well, if we are looking here for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you are in 1, 2 here, and you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, you would like to see higher prices hitting, of course, the 1.618, right? So basically, of course, we saw this move toward the upside yesterday, based, of course, on the news from politicians. So always be careful when this happens, always. As you remember in the live stream, if you was, of course, in the live stream, we talked about it. And that, okay, it looks nice, but you cannot trust it, right? And this is why exactly today we see a lot of red and, yeah, moving toward the downside even without taking the high. So, what is coming next? What does this mean? Right now, on this scenario, on the daily, what we are looking at here is a three waves down, right? And then three waves up. Very, very close for invalidation in case you are in an 1, 2. But remember, in the stream, we never said we are in 1, 2, 3, right? And that's why I was not trusting it. So basically, your invalidation anyway, just to make sure that you invalidate any kind of bullish scenario, is this level, invalidation of bullish, right? So these are the scenarios here where you would like to move on with more red at 0.82 once you hit this level, of course, meaning, of course, your wave 4 has reached the wave 1 in case you are in 1 ABC for wave 2, 3, 4. Yeah, doesn't work, right? Yeah, so these are the scenarios, meaning in a bigger view, probably you're still inside your bearish scenario, which is after this impulse or this three waves down, three waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside, impulse, then A, B, C zigzag. Meaning you are searching or looking for a big impulse toward the downside for Cardano, regardless to any news you heard yesterday. Yeah, and that's why you cannot trust politicians, guys, and politics. Be careful with it. So we have also here kind of like, yeah, it's not looking perfect impulsive toward the downside here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the wave 4 invalidation as well. So meaning, yeah, it has turned into three waves toward the downside. And now three waves up, meaning anyway, impulse toward the downside. Yeah, so basically your impulse, your big impulse might start from this move now. Yeah, just sorry guys, I'm just laughing about it because the news just has triggered a bearish scenario. Imagine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so this is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Rather than being nice news, supposedly, and it has turned into a bearish. What a psychology in the market. And of course, again, politics. Yeah, so it's not good for crypto, guys. It's not good. Um, and if you have realized, Trump coin is dumping like crazy. Yeah, I mean, imagine you launch a coin and then you support other coins in the news on your Twitter, on your X profile. and then you ignore this coin that you launch, and you ignore all the supporters that you invite them to invest in this coin. So that is kind of like, guys, yeah, not nice. Yeah. So be careful. That's why be careful, guys. I care. I care about you. I care about my subscribers. Please get far from politics. Anything, any crypto or any coin that you hear from a politician that he supports or so, just get out. Just get out of it. If you are inside it, get out, because you see what's going on. You see. So 3 ways down, 3 ways up, impulse towards the downside. Our targets is the following. If we are here in a flat, we are looking, of course, for a wave C. In an impulse, as of course a regular flat wave C, so we're looking for these targets exactly here, where you want to finish your impulse at least with a 1-to-1 fib level 1.05, 0.46, 0.44. Yeah, so these are the scenarios. Internally on the 1 hour chart, I already went inside it. It's a clear impulse, guys. Yeah, clear impulse. Meaning, even if you are in a zigzag, invalidation has been taken from now. Yeah, so just by looking into an impulse. Yeah, so trade safe, guys. Trade safe. Let's take a look at KGT. So, wow, on KGT, of course, yesterday, the move towards the upside. You know, KGT, it works in the opposite always. So you are looking for a divergence always, and you can see the divergence was given already here, even with the weaker signals. Here we go. Yeah, so you see, of course, a very clear divergence and moving towards the upside. And even like when moving towards the upside, the CVDs, of course, definitely are moving down. This is a the enters the buyers entering, and currently, of course, we are looking at this big divergence. Well, I don't trust it, of course. Don't trust it yet, because of course this move towards the downside is massive. Yeah, it's very, very massive. Well, yeah, we have to be careful from it. I prefer to stay out. I always prefer to stay out. And okay, look at the selling right now. Look at the selling, what's happening right now. This means like a huge selling entering ADA now. Look at the CVDs. All right, so that's not good, guys. That's not good. This is gonna move up and this is gonna move down. The price action is gonna move down like crazy. Here we go. Wow, it's happening right now during the video. So let me send it. Look, I mean, the price action is not moving, but you see the CVD lines, meaning a lot of loading, a lot of sellers entering right now, guys. Let me upload it for you guys. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.